This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about.
Greetings. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Who is she?
Father, her name is Amarachi. She's from Wazico here. She lives in my heart, and I want to marry her. Achalugum, meet my father, the king.
Nice to meet you, Your Majesty.
If you truly have a heart, if you truly have a heart, then why didn't you pick any of these beautiful ladies around here instead of bringing in a cripple to my palace? How dare you?
Father, she is not crippled. She only had an accident that's passed through a surgeon. Father, she's only getting better.
Father, I don't know her, but my brother has told me lots of good things about her. You are Amarachi, right?
Yes, my princess.
Who is your father?
My father is late Mazi Bekwe.
And what was his occupation?
He was an engineer, Your Majesty.
Do you think you can marry my son? Didn't my son tell you the wife the royal family chose for him?
Father, shut up.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to her.
Yes, he did. But he has the right to make his choice.
You are not his choice. The prince's wife should stand in elegance. Should stand poised. Should stand in dignity and not in crutches. Now leave my palace. You are not going to marry my son.
I will marry her, Father. She goes nowhere. You don't have to choose for me. This whole thing is turning into something else. What's going on?
Guard! Guard!
Your Highness. Your Highness.
Send this cripple out of this palace. Now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey! If you touch her, I will chop off your head and feed the beast in the forest. You don't do that. Father, what is really going on?
Listen, Father, enough of all this, okay? There's no reason for this drama. I mean, what will the people say? That the palace is at war? It doesn't make sense, Father. Let Okike make his choice. Okay, you can't be in the middle forever.
But at this point, I am not going to allow you sink me into that marriage with Vicky. No, I will not allow that. I have my reasons, or I'm going to leave this country for you.
I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner.
Please, Father.
Please let me be.
Prince Okike, why are you so pissed at me? What have I done to you?
Oh, you've done everything. You've done everything evil, and I do not want to see you around me. You are free to visit my father and also my sister, who happens to be your friend, right? But anything around me, I don't want to see you. Please leave. I need to take a shower.
You are asking me out of your room?
Please, I am trying to control myself. I don't want to get physical with you. Leave. I need to take a shower.
Are you serious?
Leave! Bounce!
Stop crying. Stop crying, please.
Where is the queen? You're telling me to stop crying. Where is the queen?
It's so
Where is my mother?
Stop crying. Please, stop crying.
Hey! Mother, where are you? Tell me this is a prank, please. I can't take this. I can't survive this.
Please.
I cannot take this.
I understand.
I can't.
It's okay.
Mother, please. God, why? Hey! Hey!
Please, now. Put yourself together.
Hey! What do I do? What do I do? Where is my mother? Where is my mother? Hey! Why?
Please hold yourself. Please. Huh? We know that the queen was a very good woman and that she had a lot of unfulfilled plans for us. But we must take this as an act of the gods. Please, hold yourself. Maidens, please take her to her room and make sure she's well taken care of. Okay?
Be careful.
Please. She's not supposed to be on the bed.
God.
What has happened?
It's okay. Hey, be gentle on her, please.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Is it true? What really happened?
Is that how high blood pressure killed people? Just like that? Your Majesty, what are we hearing? That the queen slumped while addressing the women in the meeting.
Hey!
Oh my God, this indeed sad.
But Your Majesty, who has gone there? Where is the prince? Eh? Because the princess cannot do this all by herself. Eh? Someone needed to have been there immediately.
The prince left this palace earlier before his mother left for the women meeting. So I started calling the prince. But the prince would not take my call. I wonder if the way he's going to rule this kingdom when I'm gone. My prince would not pick my call. I tried calling him so he could take his mother to the hospital. As I speak, the prince is still here to pick my call.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please, calm down. We don't want to lose two people in this kingdom. The women leader and the executives must have done the needful.
If not, the tradition that insists that the king must not see the body of a deceased queen. What am I doing here? What am I doing here and allow my wife to just go? I was calling out my son to please come, at least take my wife to the morgue. My son is not there.
Where did he go? At least to pick his course. Let me also help in reaching him.
Please, can I call you?
Carl! The queen was very much heady and fine, but now she's dead.
Hi.
What the what?
I heard that the queen died of hypertension.
Hypertension?
Yes.
No, it's impossible. What would the queen be thinking that hypertension will kill her? She has the money. She's rich. She's the queen of this kingdom. There's food, there's money, so it's not hypertension. Something inside. It's not hypertension. Why are you laughing?
Why would I laugh at you? No, to be factual and sincere, why won't I laugh at you? When your mother says, my son, come and go to school, you will say, no, school is calm. Now see.
Don't insult me, please. So you are this intelligent and you are here working security guard with me in the palace. Standing under the gate.
At least, overthinking does not cause hypertension. Factors like age, obesity, genetics, health conditions can cause hypertension. Get that.
Factor. Not only factor, it's fatigue. Don't insult me again, no. Don't go and open your own hospital and start your own hospital business than staying here before the gate, opening the gate up and down. You know all these things. You don't look for hospital. Fatigue. You know really fatigue. Factor.
You are taking it as an insult. I'm not insulting you. I'm just teaching you what you don't know.
Guys, enough of all these arguments.
Don't mind yourself.
See, we are talking about the queen's death. You guys are here arguing. Are you okay?
But you are here. Yeah, he's insulting me.
Don't you have a blockhead?
What is wrong with this new Indomie generation? What is Prince Okeke doing that he cannot pick 50 missed calls? Huh?
Look, I suggest that we leave for the hospital and see things for ourselves. See how things are going on there. Because we can't just sit here and leave the women to handle everything.
Yeah, woman, you are right. He's right. Let's proceed to that place immediately. Let's proceed to that place immediately. Let's move.
Your Majesty.
At least you thank God that you saw someone that is teaching you.
Teaching me? What do you know you're teaching me? Do you know what it is to call someone blockhead? Why would you call me blockhead?
But at least you have learned, Abi.
Learned what? Don't try it again, no. But I'm really feeling for the princess. So.
Why?
She was very close to the queen.
Is the queen not her mother?
Hi.
What do you expect? I just hope she have calmed down. But to lose a mother is not something I wish for anyone.
At all. Hi.
I lost my mother a long time ago, and since then my life just scattered.
What's going on? Why are your faces like this? My elders, greetings.
Where is your phone, young man?
My phone?
Yeah, your phone.
Oh, please a minute. Excuse me. Hey. A lot of missed calls. What is going on?
You are the worst son that any father could ever be. If you were still in the slave trade era, I would have been so happy to sell you to slave masters. I wish I had another son that I could live all I have labored for.
Father, you don't talk to me like that. I am not a child. What have I done for you to have used those harsh words on me? I was in a business meeting and I told my sister before I left, my phone was in my car. I left it there. Why would you address me like that?
You shut up. Is your useless meeting more important than the life of your mother? And now when your mother died, I was even calling you so you could take her come to the morgue. You were not there. You were in your useless meeting.
My mother is dead? I never knew of this. But Father, why are you blaming me of killing my own mother? Why? Calling me a useless son is actually out of line.
You did not kill your mother, but you caused her death. You caused the death of my queen.
How, Father? How? How was I the cause of mother's death?
Your Majesty, this is not the time. The royal home is supposed to be mourning, not pointing accusing finger on each other. The queen died from hypertensive complications.
My elders, you all heard the king call me a useless son, accusing me wrongly for what I know nothing about, putting all blames upon me, accusing me for what I know nothing about, accusing me of killing my own mother. It's fine. No, it's fine. Fine.
Your Majesty, I know you're greatly pained, but please calm yourself down. My prince, your mother's body was deposited in Trust in God Hospital morgue. You have to hurry down there so that you can sign whatever document that needs to be signed and feed the women's leader and her executives who have been waiting. And you know that hospital is in the city. So there will be no time for you to freshen up. Just go.
Very important. What are you still doing here? What are you still doing here? Get out of my sight and go and attend to your late mother. My mother. My mother. My mother.
There's another problem apart from the queen's dead. Did you hear the king shouting?
Yes, I did. But you know what the prince did was very bad. Yes, okay, if you were to be the king and your son refused to pick or did not pick his call the very day his mother died, will you be happy? Check him now.
Today is indeed a sad day.
Hey, he didn't try. He would have held his phone tight.
Open the gate! What is wrong? Come on, look there! You crazy? What's wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? You will fall sick if you continue to cry. It's okay.
Father, Mother was hale and hearty before she left for the meeting this morning. She couldn't even say goodbye. She couldn't say goodbye, Father.
It's okay. It's okay. Maybe she forgot to take her drugs before leaving. Anyway, I will invite the women leader to ask her exactly what happened. It's so painful to know that she's not coming back. She was a virtuous woman. We're going to miss her greatly.
The mother is not coming back. No, she's not coming back.
We have to learn to console ourselves. She led a good life. She led a life that everyone emulated. It's okay. It's okay, okay? It's okay.
It's so painful.
Stop crying, okay?
If I have the money, I would have gone to Enugu for orthopedic surgery. Because what this local bone setter is doing to my leg, I don't understand. And it's not making me happy.
I don't really know, but Okafor has done a lot of bonds and they are all working freely. I don't know why yours has stayed this long. But you have to be grateful to God for being alive after surviving an accident that took the lives of so many. Your leg will be better. Just keep hope alive.
You know, all the money I saved during my NYSC has finished on this. But yet the leg is not looking like something that will heal anytime soon. I'm tired.
You know, surgery should be good though, but how do you even raise the money? You know, Grandma is there to take care of Ikenna too.
Well, God will help us. God will help. Ikenna, I saw your back earlier.
Seems something bad happened to him. Ikenna, what is it?
I was on my own. I saw a car. I wanted to clean it. The owner came down and slapped me. And my mouth had been paining me.
Wait. Slapped you?
Yeah.
Somebody slapped you? Why? Did you insult him?
No, just to clean the car.
What kind of a stupid man is that? How dare he slap you? Is you alright? Thunder will fire that man.
Yes. Ikenna. And the man slapped you. Come and show me the man. Let me slap him.
Mama, wait. Cherry, wait first. Ikenna, tell us what happened.
I just saw a car. I wanted to clean it so I can earn money. The man just came down and slapped me.
That is how someone that is bigger than him will slap him and push him down.
Yeah.
Hey, Alele.
Come on, like this.
Come and tell me what happened.
Hey,
tell me, you must show me that man.
Can you imagine? What kind of equus man is this? Slapping a small boy. Why? Is it the little money that he makes that we use to buy garri and eat? You know Grandma is not doing anything because of her waist pain. So this man did not see any other person to slap apart from Ikenna. Why will he do this? I am so pained.
Calm down, Amarachi. It's okay. You know you have this leg to deal with.
It's because my leg is bad, oh. It's because my leg is bad. That's why he had the guts to slap Ike.
It's okay.
That small boy, what did he do?
It's okay.
It's just a small boy. What did he do?
It's okay, Amara. Amara, sorry. Stop crying. Stop lamenting. My dear friend.
This leg is bad.
Sorry. Your leg will be fine. He is. Yes, he is.
He did not do anything. He didn't do anything. And this man slapped him like that.
It's okay, my dear friend. Stop crying, please. Wipe.
If he kills Ike for us, what are we going to eat? If he kills the boy, what are we going to eat? He's the only one that brings food to this house.
Calm down, Amara. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying, please. Okay, cheer up. It's okay now. Stop crying. Okay? Let me go home and make Oha soup. You will send Ikem to come later. You hear? Will you hold yourself, please? Stop crying. Okay?
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
am I hearing? The queen slumped and died. Oh, how did it happen? What happened?
That's how we saw it.
Jesus
As
Christ.
you can see, the palace is very quiet.
This is bad news. So what about the prince?
He went out since morning and is not yet back.
Okay, let me see the family. Your Majesty, greetings.
How are you?
I'm good, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I was in Abuja when I heard about the Queen's demise. Actually, I saw it online. I had to take the available flights. So how are you coping, Your Majesty?
It has happened. I'll have to live with it for the rest of my life.
She was a queen to us. I can only imagine your pains. I'm very sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry for your loss.
What can I do? What can I do? So, how is your father?
My father is fine. What about the prince and the princess?
Where is the princess?
She's in her room, Your Majesty. She has refused to eat, neither has she stopped crying.
Don't worry, Your Majesty. I will see her at once.
Thank you.
Now, wow. So people will just die like that.
I can't still believe that the queen is dead.
Girls, sit quietly. Guess what?
This is not time for all this, your guess. We lost our queen. If you have anything to say, please say it.
My dear, that very proud, over-pompous, arrogant girl, she's here.
This description can only fit one person. Vicky, right?
Yes, now my sister.
I know you have nothing else to offer than gossip. I keep telling you both that Vicky is not arrogant and pompous. I love her. That she advises you both to greet her does not make her an arrogant person. People should stop this now.
I know she came for condolence. Now that the queen is dead, bad luck for her.
Ezigbo bad luck, my sister.
Bad luck how? Tell me, bad luck how? Are you both better than her? Her father is well-to-do, while we are servants, and you're talking nonsense. That the queen loves her and was pushing the prince to marry her before she died will not make you both to conclude. Pico, let's find something to do with our time. What is wrong with you, Amaka? You only gossip, gossiping here and there.
You see this Pamela? She's very arrogant. One day, me and she in this palace, we will see our clothes. You see you back? Don't worry.
Nonsense girl. Why am I even following?
Ike, I don't want what happened today to disturb you. Oh? You remember my promises to you that once my leg is fine and I start walking, you will go back to school, even till university level.
Sister, I know you do all that for me. I want you to stand on your feet and walk freely. Don't bother yourself about me. There are men today who have money, even though they didn't go to school.
Ikenna, don't say that. Don't say that, please. Don't say a thing like that because things turned out to be like this. Oh, Biko, things will be okay. You will go to school. I don't want you to rule out school from your mind, okay? Please.
I will go to school. I can never say no to school after all. I was going before this accident.
Yes, Ikenna. And you will go back to school. Oh, you will. You will. Let me just get better. Everything will be fine. Oh, it's okay. Sorry. Ndo.
You know, the very first time I met the Queen was when I bumped into her car at the boutique.
She was trying to drive off. I was coming in. And boom, I hit her car. She came down to check the car. I apologized. She said it's fine. It's okay. It's just an accident. At first, when I saw her face, I was afraid. I was sweating in my pants.
Sweating in your pants?
Yes. Because I thought maybe she's going to slap me or maybe do something stupid to me, but no, she didn't. I was sweating down there in my pants. Funny, right? The Queen was a very nice person. You and her were like friends. I can imagine your pains. But please, Ada, take everything easy. What has happened has happened. I don't want you to fall sick, please. Please.
It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Of course. I should come for your sake and the late Queen. This life is something else. You see someone today, the next minute the person is gone. This life is terrible.
You know, last night she complained bitterly about having a severe headache. I quickly checked her BP. It was a bit high. And then she took her medication. This morning, she woke up and insisted that she must attend the meeting. And then she left. The next thing we heard was the bad news.
It's okay. It's fine.
I'm not going to see my mom
It's okay. I know in this situation, it's only God that will help us. I'm sorry about your loss, please. Okay? So, where is your brother?
I don't know. I haven't seen him around since today. But I'm sure he was already out before the news came to us.
Does it mean up till now that he's not away?
I honestly don't know. I have no idea.
And that is okay, please. Like I said, I don't want you to fall sick, please. Okay? I know it's very hard, but please.
It's okay.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day for my bio. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free. Oh, I run my children so good. And anyway, this is my decision. Oh, no
Father,
going back.
you don't ask a worthless son how he went. You've been doing this to me all this while, And now it is time for me to do my own thing. I'm doing my own thing, so allow me to be and stay on my own lane.
Son, you're under my roof. I'm your father. And the kingdom shall be upon your shoulder. So it's about time that I started to bend your neck.
Well, I didn't know such thing would befall the royal family. I left my phone in the car just to avoid distractions. But Father, was that the reason why you started talking to me in such manner in the presence of your chiefs?
I am your father. I have the right to scold you wherever I want to, as long as it's meant to correct you.
And you make it seem like I am the cause of mother's death. Didn't you? Father, you said a lot of things and you're here saying another. Father, we all know what killed mother. She was hypertensive, and we know that hypertension kills even without a symptom. So please stop blaming me for mother's death, or you make people hear about it and start thinking something else.
Why are you raising your voice at me?
Prince Okike, what is wrong with you? Is that how you talk to the king? Please show some respect. He's your father and the king. You don't talk to him like that.
Are you okay upstairs? Have you gone nuts? Who are you to talk about respect? Do you have respect? You don't even have any. As I'm looking at you right now, how dare you interfere when I'm talking with my own father? Don't ever do that again. Don't! Who invited you here in the first place? Father, I am really sorry for raising my voice at you. I'm sorry. Mother's remains have been deposited in the morgue. I am really very, very tired. I need to freshen up.
I'm very sorry, Your Majesty. Please forgive him.
All right. Vicky, what are you doing here? Shouldn't you have knocked and allowed me to open that door before you come in here?
Come on, Prince Okike. Enough with these rules already. Look, I didn't like the way you talked to the king.
Are you serious? He is my father, the king. I can talk to him anyhow I deem fit. Alright, what is your business about how I talk to my father? Like, what's your business?
It's okay. I'm sorry if I get involved. My condolences on the death of your mother.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, my love.
Hey. Please, can you not touch me?
Okay. I overheard you talk about how you deposited the queen's body. Heard that the morgue dead bodies are littered. Is that true?
Can you imagine? You came all the way to ask me to verify if the littered dead bodies are the morgue. Are you insane? Is there anything wrong with you? You see why I say you don't have brains? You don't. Look at you. Coming to ask me such a stupid questions.
Prince Okike, why are you so pissed at me? What have I done to you?
Oh, you've done everything. You've done everything evil, and I do not want to see you around me. You are free to visit my father and also my sister who happens to be your friend. Right? But anything around me, I don't want to see you. Please leave. I need to take a shower.
You are asking me out of your room?
Please, I am trying to control myself. I don't want to get physical with you. Leave. I need to take a shower.
Are you serious?
Leave! Bounce!
Oh, princess. You are still on the bed. Are you not hungry?
Maka, I'm not hungry. My stomach is not open for food yet.
I understand that you're hurting, but you can't keep doing this thing to yourself. I mean, this thing happened since yesterday, and you haven't had anything to eat since yesterday. Or are we going to bury two bodies at the same time? At least eat something. Go, my princess, please.
Amaka, you know what, don't worry, just go, eh? When I'm hungry, I will send for you. For now, let me mourn my mother in peace.
I know that you have to mourn your mother, but you can't mourn her on an empty stomach, my princess. I know why I'm saying this.
Amaka, can you just go? Go! I already told you I'll call you when I need you. Just go. Please, don't make me talk.
Why you watching?
Welcome.
How are you?
Okay, for now.
Well, how's your leg?
You will buy eating. Bishinike. Ngwa.
At least let me finish my food.
I don't have time. I have a lot of people, patients in my house. Don't need forgetting me. They are up to 40. They are those that break leg, break head, break everywhere. So I'm working now. You know I'm a very busy person. Let me remind you. You see that shout we used to shout, all the whole villagers will gather here. We are not doing meeting here today. I don't want that kind of shout. You just keep quiet. Calm down. Let me just treat you the way I want, okay?
Wokafo, what do you mean? Is that how you do this your bone setting? Insulting your patients anyhow. Don't you know it's very painful?
So you don't know how to talk to doctors? Or you don't know that I am a doctor? Do you people have doctors in your family? Huh? I'm asking you. Do you people have doctors in your family? Listen to me. There is a way you insult me now. Just personalize my. Don't you know that I'm a professional doctor, a doctorate degree for that matter? There's a way you insult me now. We leave this leg to decay. Even if it decay, you know it's not my business.
But it's been over a year you've been treating this leg. And I am not getting any better. I'm looking for money to go for x-ray. Let me know the position of this leg.
Who tells me is bigger than me that have been treating this your leg for a very long time? You're looking down on me. I'm a doctorate degree inherited from my forefathers. I don't know if you're getting me. Let me tell you what you don't know. I have even amended Oyibo's leg. Their leg that is even softer than your own as African lady you are. And talk more of this your own. It's a small case. This thing is going. So I beg, don't use it and start doing this thing before you get this thing. Bring your leg. Let me know what to do.
Please let him go. He has been trying. We can do something on this leg when you must have gone for x-ray to see the position of this bone. I know why I'm saying this, so just let Okafo go.
They should let me to go. Something that I've been working since. Do you know how pieces this leg was? And I managed to put it together. Now it is about to enter. You are telling me, you even have mouth to tell me, they should pursue me. I don't blame you now. In a ballet region mother. It's not Rogiria. That is why you have the effrontery. In fact, the temerity and paradity. Okay, since your friend Imimbo have said that I don't know how to do work. This is, let me tell you. You see my money, you people should keep my money down. Because I don't want any story on my money. Since Imi Otaba have said I don't know what I'm doing. It's alright. Oh, you people have done it. It's alright.
I called you all for this meeting so we can talk about the burial of my late queen. I thought that there could be some requirement we want to deliberate upon. Or is it coming too early?
Your Majesty, in my own opinion, we cannot just bury the queen like that. According to tradition, there is a time lap for the queen's burial. Unless the royal house decides, then the cabinet can follow up.
Oh, allow the king to land before cutting him off. What is wrong with you?
Are you talking to me? Look, when did that one start now? The king just asked the question before I started speaking. Why are you attacking me? Why?
Look, if you know that I've taken some course of palm wine before coming to this meeting, conduct yourself and listen. We are no serious talk here.
Hey! Nduka! Look, do not try me. Do not try me. Look at this half man. I know that the queen has been paying for your son's school fees right from Otakara stage. Now that she's gone, continue from where she stopped.
No way you are insulting me.
I will.
No way you are insulting me.
I will insult you. Oh, you are lobbying so that the king can continue from where she stopped. Ha Idago.
Enough!
You are lobbying so that the king can continue paying for...
I said enough!
You have failed, though. You have failed.
I said enough.
Don't try me, Diego.
I am talking to you, Mendu. I said it's enough.
It's okay.
What is this nonsense? The king did not call us here to expose ourselves, but to talk nonsense. Behave like men, both of you. I said enough.
From what is happening now, I want to end this meeting. We shall reconvene on AK Market Day. I want to let you all know that there is no need to disagree on issues that we know we can agree upon. Well, I want to go inside and rest, then think.
Your Majesty, you say think. Please, don't think. Don't think. You know he's thinking that he's killing people of hypertension these days. Please, I beg you.
Not so. It's okay, let me rephrase. I want to go inside and rest.
Yeah. Rest my head. That kind of thinking. Thank you all for coming to. Thank you for coming.
Oh no. Yes. In as much as I have respect for people, I will not tolerate Ichie Nduka insulting me and speaking to me in that manner in the palace. Onapuziala. Listen, I only kept my calm because we are in a morning mood. Or else, hey, I can make tire kachingom, tire lawyer. Onapuziala.
Obuefi, I know how you felt yesterday at the palace, but I have already spoken to him to be more careful the way he talked to people.
Please, oh.
But I want you to know that you are an Ogbuefi. He's not. He's Ichiendoka. There's a lot of difference between you and him.
Oh, does that half man know that? Does that half man know that? Eh? Oh, tell me, how did I interrupt the Igwe? How? He's only saying this because he wants the royal family to keep sponsoring his son in school. And how does it concern me? Because he was something.
Well, that one has gone. We have to move on.
Let's move on.
Do you understand? Did you find out that the king is planning to bury the queen without a successor that day? Did you?
I did. I did. I saw what was going on there. But you know me, Umendu. I always speak for what is truth. I stand by the truth. That one will not happen. That is why I brought the issue about tradition. And you know, tradition says that the son must produce a successor. Somebody who will succeed the queen before she's buried. Because the queen is involved in so many activities. Queen this, queen that. And she's the head of all these groups. So, who will head it? As long as the royal family has a son that is ripe for marriage, let him find someone. That's all.
Wait. Let me shock you. I don't know what my daughter did to him. And he keeps ignoring her. I have called my daughter to stop going to the palace. You know how she got married?
I know.
The President General's daughter that the queen found. She insisted that the son must marry her. You know, stories, several stories about.
Oh no, honestly, the first issue the queen had with him was because of her. And this time around, when I heard that the queen was rushed to the hospital because of the same prince. Hey! Listen, the prince must go and get a wife. Otherwise, the queen will remain in the fridge.
Oh, Wefi, I want to let you know that the king has the right to bury the queen without anybody's permission. Yes. Tradition or no tradition?
That one can never happen. It can never happen. As long as I am a member of this cabinet. Omame, Okike had better gone and found a wife so that they can bury her mother. That's all. And I'm alone.
Yeah,
What are you saying, sir?
Yes, I did. Where have you been?
Oh, I've been in the bedroom.
Are you aware that you're my son? And that if I had not lost your younger brother, he should have been here. The younger brother should have been the one in charge.
Father, I don't understand. What do you mean?
I'll explain to you. Before your mother died, both of us had been pressing upon you to take a wife. As though she knew, she kept impressing it upon you to get married. She was urging you to look at Vicky. And now that she's dead, you need to bring a wife to perform the duties that the tradition and the constitution of women demands.
Father, if I may understand you, what you're trying to say is that I need to get a wife before my mother will be buried.
Exactly. And You need to look in the direction of Vicky. You know very well that your late mother and her mother used to be best of friends.
Oh, Father, I made my reasons known to Mother. My reasons stands. So please, I beg in the name of God, don't push this, Father.
What do you mean by don't push this? Vicky is your wife. And get ready to perform the traditional.
Well, I'm sorry. I cannot marry Vicky.
Brother, come on, don't talk like that. Have you forgotten that mother was on this before she died? Besides, Vicky has been coming here and you know it.
Father, may I remind you that Vicky's mother died of breast cancer. I just do not want to be associated with such history in my own family. No, I will not allow that.
That her mother died of breast cancer, and so you're not going to marry her.
Exactly.
Come on, son. Vicky is Vicky. Her mother is her mother.
Father, you're the one saying this. We all know that some sicknesses are hereditary. They have hereditary traits. I've made my own research. I cannot marry Vicky. Moreover, I don't even have feelings for her. I don't love her.
Son, will you stop that? Will you stop it? And you've been giving her the wrong impression. She sleeps in this house, eats, do everything, giving her the impression she's going to be a queen in this kingdom. Now you are doing research when it's time for you to get married. She is your wife. I have made the decision and there's nothing you can do about that.
Oh no, Father! You don't get to choose a wife for me. I am an adult, a full-fledged man.
I make the decision here. And that's final.
Father, please. This is a joke taken too far. I don't see this happening at all. That can never happen.
Brother, listen, I stand with Father on this. Vicky has hoped on this marriage for a very long time now. You can't do this to her.
Please shut up. Shut up your mouth when men are talking. You're not supposed to be here. All right? Don't do that again. Shut up!
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free. I roam my around so good. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Gone rain, gone sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Gone rain, gone sunshine.
Why are you and Father trying to force Vicky on me? Why? How many times have I told you that I don't love her?
Brother, Vicky is a nice girl. She is pretty and have every qualities of a queen.
Really?
Yes. She loves you so much. Why don't you just give her a chance?
I do research. I follow up on families. Alright? Mother just died of high blood pressure. Her father died of same illness. Our uncle, Uncle Ike, mother's elder brother, died of same high blood pressure. It is genetic. Tomorrow, I might be a high blood pressure patient. You're not even spared. You know that. Vicky's mother died of breast cancer. Her mother died of same. You're ignoring all these red flags. What is wrong with you? I can't risk getting married to that person.
Brother, can you just stop this whole cancer of a thing? Forget about her mother dying of cancer. She loves you. She loves you so much.
I don't love her. I don't love her now. How can I get married to a girl I don't love?
Love grows. Brother, definitely it will grow. Just give it time. It will grow. You will grow to love her.
It is possible for others. Not for me. Definitely not for me. It will not work for me.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
Are you asking me why? Let me ask you. Can you marry a man you do not love? Okay. You're about to stammer, right? You don't know what to say? You don't know how to put it?
Okay, fine. Let me ask you too. What is your problem? Is it the cancer or that you don't love her? Which one is it? What is it?
My point clear. I've told you all my reason, and I will not keep repeating myself often and often. No, I will not do that. All right? Please, back out.
my brother so much. And I also love Vicky too. I honestly wish they would get married. But Father, please, you have to take it easy on him. Let him make his decisions. Please.
Do you know who Vicky's mom was?
Of course, Father. Everyone in this palace knows that her mother was Mom's best friend.
And you know what the queen promised her mother?
That both of them must become husband and wife.
That means the queen gave her her word.
Father, but they are both dead now. Are we still going to insist on that?
They both might be dead, but their vow remains. Your brother will marry Vicky. Let your mother be laid. She is the next queen of this kingdom. All we should be talking about now is how to give your mother a befitting burial, not the rubbish and trash that Okike is saying.
Father, Okike is a man now. Yes, I mean, this is not during your time where you guys make certain decisions or certain matchmaking. He has the right to say yes or no. Father, times has really changed. Please.
Dama.
Father.
Get out. Get out.
Father.
I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. I just remember to I'm concerned about tomorrow. I don't want to go against my wish. I don't want to go against my heart, yo. Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind, yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free, yo. I roam my around so good. And anyway, this is my decision, no going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I have a one about one more kisifumo. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind, yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free, yo. I roam my around so good. And anyway, this is my decision, no going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. Mama. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse.
Guess. I don't know.
No, I guess.
Guess what? You mean someone bought all this for you?
Yes. Let us.
Ikena, did you meet the governor today?
Hey.
I saw him walking up to me. For my mind, I thought he's going to beat me again. And I still watching. He started apologizing to me. And he said he lost his mother that very day. He slapped me. And I told him what normally brings me out. And he felt sorry. And he took me to a shop and bought all these things for me. He said I should share the money into 3. So I should give grandma and then start and take my own.
Oh, you mean that man that slapped you? So he came back? Hey, he must have felt bad.
That means he was not in his right mind that very day. Yes. Because I know he did not do anything to him. For that, I retrieve all the curse I lay on him. It shall be well with him. Amen. Whatever he lay his hands shall be blessed.
Amen. Hey, Mama, just like that. Money for X-ray is now complete.
Nikwa bread.
Mama, my own is this money. Ikenda, let me have the money, See money for X-ray. Hey, God is so wonderful. Ikenda, hurry to Lorita's house. Tell her to come. Tell her to come to the house now. Hey!
Come back quick, come and boil water for me. I want to drink tea. Hot tea.
Hey!
With this bread.
How are you doing? I've been waiting for you. How are you doing?
Why are you waiting for me? You should quit waiting for me. Stop coming here to appeal to my father, the king, and also my sister. It will not work.
My prince, why do you hate me this much?
I don't hate you.
You do! It's obvious, you do!
Well, I have my fears, all right? Fears for myself and for the future of this royal home. Those fears, no one can change my mind about it.
And when did these fears started? You've been having me front and back. You never told me about fears. When you are telling me how sweet I am, Vicky, you are so sweet, you are so sweet. You never bring in fears. So what happened?
Well, I know Mother communicated with you the reasons. You know better. And please, Don't raise your voice at me. Don't do that. Okay?
Come on, Prince Okike. Don't use my late mother's cancer against me. I don't have breast cancer.
We are talking about breast cancer here. It's not something to joke about.
My prince, can we just stop this? Why are you doing this? I don't have breast cancer. And I will never have breast cancer. Can't you understand?
Hey, your grandmother has breast cancer. Your mother has breast cancer. And I don't know because it comes with it is genetic. You might have, so I want to save myself and the future of this royal home. I don't want to bring this suffering to them. Don't worry. Very soon, a man will come and put a smile on your face. But as for me, I can't continue with this. Please do not force this marriage. I cannot go back to my spit. No, I will not. I will not. When you are done, you can leave.
I'm ashamed of being called a woman. Like, why would that beautiful Tolo Tolo be following the prince up and down? Why?
Because she loves him. Every man goes for who they love, and that is what Vicky is doing. I understand the prince angle of her mother dying of breast cancer, but she's not God the maker.
Okay, let me tell you girls. See, I've been in this palace for years, so I know how all these things started. Firstly, it was the prince that started all these things at the initial time. Let me tell you one thing about men. Men like eating, but I don't know how it's going to end. Vicky has been sleeping inside the prince's room for years. We are there studying the Holy Bible together. Of course not now. I pray one day he might change his mind because I know the king wants Vicky.
It's not about changing his mind. Vicky should go back to Abuja to her wealthy father and look for other men instead of following the prince up and down. Her aim is to become our queen, so that she'll be ordering me up and down. The gods forbid that, to Fiakwa.
Why do you hate this young lady like this? Are you okay?
For me, I like Vicky. Maybe the prince saw something in between. I wish them best of luck. Now go back to your duty post.
God works in mysterious ways. Just imagine what you're telling me. May God bless this man and replenish his pockets in 1,000,000-fold.
Amen.
Oh yeah, just give me, even if it's that long biscuit, let me use it as I will see.
I will see waiting. Waiting you see. Were you here when Ikenna brought those gifts? That one is I will see. In fact, you came late. I was the one that asked Ikenna to call you.
I did not ask for money. I didn't ask for money. Just biscuits. Oh.
I will give you. I will give you. My friend, how do we go for the x-ray tomorrow? I want us to go and see this x-ray before Nwakafo will come and start saying what I don't understand.
We will go to Nkwo Umunze tomorrow then. There's a big scan there and the man is very good with lots of machines.
Okay. But you have to come on time so that we can go and come back. You know how important this is for me.
Yes, I will come. That one is concluded. Yeah, the biscuits.
You and biscuits. I think you've not eaten biscuits. Ikenna!
I'm tired of all this. Ada, I'm tired. The prince doesn't want me, so it's better I go back to my father's house.
Hey, Vicky, don't say that. Okay? You have to stay and fight for your love. If you truly love my brother like you claim, fight for your love.
What are you saying? I should fight for someone who doesn't want me. Someone who doesn't recognize me. Can't you see? My princess, I won't force this since there are issues of breast cancer and all of that. I need to give him some space.
Come on, Vicky. Come on.
Listen, my father, the king, is in on this, and I'm pretty sure that he will make sure this thing works out between you and my brother. Huh? Please, because my brother has to present a wife before my mother can be buried. And I'm very sure that he's seeing no other woman at the moment. Please.
You are not sure of that, Ada. Then why is he acting up? What have I done to him?
I don't know, honestly. But hey, listen, just do as we have discussed and let's see how things goes. Please. Listen, my mother will tremble in her grave if this marriage doesn't work. Please, don't go.
Ada, honestly, I'm tired. I've tried. Your Majesty, I think I should go back to Abuja and use my time for something else.
No, Victoria, no. I don't think you should do that. You know, the Queen's burial will be done soon. And we'll go ahead to conclude the marriage rites so you can take the position of the Queen.
Your Majesty, I'm a woman. I don't need to remain in this palace because I had a bond with the late Queen. But it seems not to be working out. How can the prince use my late mother's illness against me? He already turned me a cancer patient.
Well, you see, my son is still a young man. And as far as my late wife stood her ground for you, then you can be rest assured that I will do likewise. Just relax, okay?
Your Majesty, his manners are beginning to irritate me. I never gave any other man chance because of him. And now he's acting up.
But you know, I can always talk to my son. I can handle it. But if you so desire to visit your father, you can do so and come back. This is where you are from, and no man runs away from his fatherland.
I will stay around, Your Majesty. But whenever you need me, tell Ada to call me. But please, don't press the prince too hard. Marriage is not what you force two adults on.
I know. It's all right. Let's see, what happens, okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Nne, have you seen what is going on in the palace?
What is happening in the palace does not concern you. Are you a royal blood? Snitching here and there will not solve the problem. Laughing at Vicky and what she's passing through. But she's bigger than you, a common palace maiden. Are you not ashamed of all these things you're doing?
What did you call me? A common palace maid? What are you? A common palace cook? See, let's all agree on one thing. Vicky will never be married in this palace. And if that's what is paining you, it will pain you the more.
Look at who is talking. Then, if the prince does not marry her, go ahead and present yourself to him. Her father is rich and she is well schooled. She didn't lose anything at all. Look at you. A common palace man looking at the prince. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I'm not ashamed.
Don't go and look for your size.
See, I don't even have your time this
Don't
moment.
you know that shoes have sizes?
And you are the size of who? Please, I don't get out.
Oneme ihe na-adị na-ekwe omume ọ na-eme ihe na-adị na-ekwe omume Chukwu na-eme ihe na-adị na-ekwe omume ihe na-adị na-ekwe omume
Amara Chukwu.
Chukudebe.
I know that this voice and song must come with tears. That Wokorafok couldn't get the leg done with the result of this X-ray does not mean the leg will be bad forever.
Mama, what do I do? I know and I had the feeling that Okafor would not get to the root of this. The doctor said my legs have shortened. That even if I get healed, I will not be able to walk properly. Mama, I am so pained. I am really pained, Mama. It is only God that knows what I am going through. So allow me call my God freely. Okafor should come and see this X-ray. He should come and see it. He should come and see it.
It's okay.
Chukudebe. Ienadi ekwomume. Ienadi ekwomume. Ienadi ekwomume. Koneme. Onago. Orianadi ekwogugo. Orianadi ekwogugo. Orianadi ekwogugo. Kodago.
Whose voice is that?
Sister Mara, she normally sings alone because of her leg.
Your sister?
Yes.
Let's go.
Sister, you're crying. But you told me I'm not going to cry again.
Iken, I'm not crying, no. I'm just singing.
Mama, this is my friend that bought all these things for me and gave me money. Remember I told you that he's going to come to our house today. He even bought for me these things.
You're welcome, sir.
Nah. You? You are the one that slapped my grandson. I'm still making me your friend. Ikenna, please, go and bring seats for him. Mercy, sir. You're welcome.
I was coming in, I had a voice. A melodious voice. Oh, thank you.
Please sit down.
Yes.
Manager.
So like I said, I was coming, so I heard a voice. An angelic voice, I must say. But I think beautiful girls like you should not waste their tears. When I came in here, I noticed you're crying. I don't know, I've seen your legs, and Ikenna told me he was unable to go to school all this while because of the accident you had. He told me about you and your grandmother. And the reason why he's been there hustling is because without that, he won't be able to put a food on the table.
No. Akarako Ojo Aderema. These are my grandchildren.
I am the mother to their late father. Their parents work in gas station, which caused an outbreak that took their lives in Lagos. She finished her youth service. On her way coming back, she had this accident. And the local bone setter in this village has not gotten it right.
Is that why you want to kill yourself? It seems you went for an X-ray. What did they discover?
The radiographer said my legs have shortened and that I need a good consultant to check the leg before it gets too late.
It's alright. Cry no more. Like I said earlier, beautiful girls like you should not waste their tears. Right? Something must be done. Mama, I'm here because I want to apologize how I handled Ikenna, your grandson. I am really sorry. Please forgive me. That morning, I was in a bad mood. I lost my mother that morning. And a lot of issues started coming out between I and my father. I had to leave. I met Ikenna when he came to my car to wash the screens of my car, so I got agitated and I had to hit him.
Sorry for your loss. You made him your friend and he has been singing your praises. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Amen.
I am short of words. Thank you. You have done enough for Ikenna. He has told us so much about you. Thank you for everything. Please, continue being his friend. He's a good boy.
Yes, Ikenna is a good boy. And I will do everything within my powers to see that Ikenna go back to school. Yes. And as for you, I will try and get a good consultant for your leg. And Mama, please, I would oblige you to allow me go with this X-ray so I can show the consultant.
No problem. No problem. Please, Ikenna told us that your name is Okike. Who are you? We want to know you more.
Yes, my name is Okike. I'm from Eziago, here. I'm a businessman. But don't worry, Mama. With time, we'll get to know each other.
God bless you.
Bless you. Thank you for all you do.
It's okay. And stop crying. Everything will be fine. Let me see you.
Okay. No problem. Thank you so much. Ikenna will go back to school. Oh God, thank you so much.
There's something I would like to ask you. Why is it that your friend Vicky is forcing herself on the prince?
What nonsense. Hold on, Amaka. Is this what you made him do in this palace? You go about gossiping, meddling into matters that does not concern you?
I'm sorry, my princess. It's just that her follow is becoming too much. Following the prince up and down. A woman is supposed to have respect and dignity, ma.
Wow. Amaka, have you lost it? No. What makes you think that you have the right to put mouth in matters that concerns this palace?
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry for your stupid self. Oh, I see. Now I remember. Oh, because she scolded you for being stupid the other day. You have now decided to hate her, right? No, you have resulted into hating her because of that.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Sorry for yourself. Listen, let today be the first and last you will ever open your stupid mouth to meddle into matters that does not concern you in this palace. Do you hear me?
Yes, my princess.
Listen, I will forget the fact that you are my personal palace maid and I will throw you out of this place.
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry for your stupid self. Now get out.
Sorry.
What nonsense. Wow.
You mean this young man came here and promised to make calls for a consultant?
Yes, but I do not want to have high hopes. You know a lot is being said and undone. But let me keep my hope alive.
You're right. You're right. You know, I've told you severally that there is nothing this creator cannot do. From Ikenna to the man, and then to making sure this surgery will be done. Do you know if he's married?
How am I supposed to know that? Someone that just came here for the first time. How do you expect me to ask him a thing like that?
You know, women, he may talk to his wife about it and the woman will just zero his mind.
Well, you're right. But, like I said, faith is the word and hope too. Let's hope for the better.
I've been trying my best. I've tried all I could to get his attention, but he keeps pushing me away. Can't you see?
Vicky, try harder. Listen, my brother is the stubborn type, okay? You have to calm down and strategize very well.
Ada, I've been doing my best. I've tried my best. What else do you want me to do?
Just maybe your best isn't good enough. Vicky, have you taken a good look at yourself at the mirror? You are beautiful. You are sexy. Look at your skin. Listen, every man, no matter his status, will bow to your feet. Come on, I shouldn't be teaching you how to use your woman power. Hello?
Haba, what do you want me to do? Tell me, Ada, what else do you want me to do? I've had sex with him and we've done good enough on us. I'm a fire when it comes to the matter of the bedroom, and he has confirmed it. You know, marriage is another thing altogether, and I think this cancer of a thing got to his head. I don't know what else to do, Ada. I'm tired.
Please, don't give up. I beg you. Please.
Ada, I've tried my best.
Vicky, it's okay. Just
He's
calm
not
down.
giving me any hope.
Don't worry, trust me. I know my brother. He is my brother, right? I know him too well. And I am telling you to relax and do whatever thing you can do.
I am sorry I've not been around all this while. My apologies. The consultant that I asked to come see your leg traveled to London.
Oh,
Yeah, we'll be back in a month's time.
No problem.
Good. How about Ikenna? I hope he's been going to school.
Yes.
Okay.
He's been going to school. Look, okay. I really want to say thank you. Thank you for everything you're doing for us. The food stuff, sending Ikenna back to school. I mean, this is too much. I don't even know what to say.
No, you don't need to say anything. See, listen, the ways of our gods are so different, far, far different from the ways of men, right? The gods led Ikenna to me. He brought me here to see a beautiful woman like you. I really don't know. When I came here, I heard a voice. That voice keeps reoccurring in my memories. I don't know. Anyway, that apart, tell me, how did this accident happen?
It happened after my NYSC. The bus I boarded bumped into a truck at Crossroad. Only 3 passengers, including myself, survived. The rest died. I am so lucky to be alive today.
Yes, you are indeed lucky. The gods kept you alive for someone.
The gods kept me alive for someone.
Yes, they did. People boarded the bus with you. Few of them came out alive. You were part of them. Look at you. You broke just your leg, isn't it?
Yes. And I got myself in the hospital. The doctor said I needed surgery. But my grandmother suggested we use the local bone setter. And here we are.
Local bone setter. They are good.
No. Don't.
It's okay. They are doing a good job, I know. But they're not doing enough. What I can see here, there's an error with the x-ray. So I would suggest you wait. Let my consultant come in and pick it up from there. Alright? Tell me, who got you this purchase?
Oh, my friend, she bought it for me. Loretta. She's my childhood friend and she has been really helpful.
May the gods bless her.
Amen.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. Don't cry again. I'll leave now. Tell Mama and Ikenna I'll come back and see them shortly.
I will tell them.
I'll take my leave. Bye.
Alright, take care.
Amarachi, what's the prince doing here?
The prince? Wait, is he the prince?
Yes, he is. That's the prince of Wazico kingdom. We even heard the mother slumped a few months ago and died in a meeting. What did he come for?
That's the same man that beat up Ikenna that day. And he came here the last time I told you. But he never introduced himself as the prince. He simply said his name is Okike.
Well, he's not the loud type. He's the prince of Wazico kingdom. Are you surprised?
Yes, I'm surprised. I mean, he's very calm. And he never mentioned it. But how did you know?
Well, I grew up in this town and went to school here. Unlike you, that was born in Lagos. He's the prince. But wait, what and what did you both discuss?
Nothing much. I mean, he just promised to get the consultant to come look at my leg. And he also said Nwa Okafor should not touch my legs again.
Are you serious? This is good news. Nwa Okafor shouldn't touch this leg again.
Yes, my friend.
Thank you, God. May the good Lord be praised.
Amen.
Amen.
What is to know? What is father?
My prince, are you aware that your late mother's remains is still in the mortuary? Are you aware that the entire kingdom is waiting for you? Are you aware?
Why must they wait for me? No, I'm asking. We are no longer in that generation whereby a king dies and human head will be, and all of that. We're no longer there. All right, please, the kingdom should find a way to bury my mother, the queen of this kingdom, and leave me alone. I mean, subtract me from that equation. Please.
You must be ashamed of yourself. Can you imagine what is coming out from the mouth of a royal blood?
Your Majesty, I think I will take my leave. Because I will not be here to listen to this rubbish from this boy. Are you sure that this boy is from your scripture?
Oh no, please, you can't leave now, please. Let us finish this.
Your Majesty, let this boy not bring sacrilege to this kingdom.
Did you ask Vic not to come to the palace? As you out of your mind?
Is that what she told you?
Did you or did you not?
I only asked her to go back to her father's house because obviously this marriage will not work between the both of us.
Isn't Vic beautiful and charming enough? Isn't she an epitome of how a queen should look like? What else are you looking for in a woman?
It doesn't matter. What matters is that I am not interested. I don't want to get married to her.
Are you aware of the constitution of this land? That when a queen dies and her son is from 18 and above, that son should have a woman waiting to take her place?
Father, I do not have any business with any constitution whatever. My business is to do what? To make my choice and bring a woman to you, and that I will do in due time. Excuse me, Father.
No. Excuse me. It has to be Vicky. It has to be Vicky.
What's wrong with this boy? Your Majesty, they say some mothers do have them, but now some fathers do have them.
Just chasing shadow, cause you don't know what is in the dark. You are just chasing shadow, cause you don't know what is in the mind. You are just chasing shadow, cause you don't know what is in the mind. You are just chasing shadow, cause you don't know what is in the mind. There is no need for argument. There is no need for misunderstanding. A destiny of a man is like a tree planted by the riverside that we never will die, no matter the hotness of the sun.
Why would you embarrass me in front of the guard?
No one can predict what will happen tomorrow.
Listen to me. In your quest for whatsoever you are searching for, make sure you don't use my name to lie. I know what you told my father, that I was chasing you out of this palace, whereas I was only advising you to leave me alone and go back to your father's house. Don't do that again. Don't use my name like that. Don't even talk about me.
And you have the guts to insult me in presence of the palace guard. For what? What is your problem?
Please, do not disturb me. I'm in a very, very good mood right now before you came in. So please, leave here and close my door. Get out!
Nonsense.
Nonsense.
In life, some things
It goes to barge into my own room.
like magic.
Yeah, I gave you the hands. A lot of freedom to do whatever you want to do in this place. I don't blame you. I really don't blame you.
Cause you don't know what is it. You are just chasing shadow. Cause you don't know what is in the mind. You are just chasing shadow. Cause you don't know what is in the mind.
Now, what is this now? Can't someone have a peace of mind in this palace again? What is this? What is all this now?
Bro, relax now. Why are you pissed at me? Am I the cause of your problem?
No. You and father driving me crazy. I don't like it.
That is because we want the best for you.
Oh, come on, stop this. You and father can never know the best for me.
Bro, Vicky is a very nice girl, okay? She has master's degree in law. Why can't you just accept her? Why?
She can have PhD degree in law. I don't care. Alright? I don't. The bottom line here is that I am not interested in anything she has to offer. Moreover, you're not getting something here. Her mother died of breast cancer. Are you not getting it?
Not again. Not again, bro. Come on. I thought we've moved past this breast cancer of a thing. Listen, Vicky is a very nice, pretty girl. She doesn't have any breast cancer and she will never develop breast cancer, for goodness sake. Stop it.
Well, I can say that is why you're here, right? What is all this Vicky of a thing? What are this girl giving to all of you?
Well, that reminds me, bro. You shouldn't embarrass her in front of our domestic staff. It doesn't make sense.
Oh, come on, she deserves it.
Bro, that's not you. It's wrong. It's wrong.
The bottom line remains that I have phobia for cancer.
Tired.
Please, when you're done, shut my door.
And what if I say I want to sleep
I'm
here?
not a commoner. Please let me be.
Vicky here is leaving for Abuja and they never come back. I don't know why the prince is treating our late mother this way.
Vicky, don't worry, okay? I'll make sure he doesn't bring any woman to this palace. Or are you aware of any woman in his life?
None that I know of. And Father, I would also like her to go, at least to give him some space. Let's see if that will help bring back his senses.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Your Majesty, you're a good father and always stand for what you believe in.
I spoke to my father. He said I should come back home. I need to go to law school and get my law practice ready. I've always wanted to become the palace lawyer once I'm married to the prince. But everything I discussed with him didn't work out.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. I will always come time to time to check up.
Well, as long as I remain the king of this kingdom, I'll continue to uphold the wish of my late wife concerning you and our son. But please do not forget this palace, because this is where you belong. Okay?
I'm a prince. I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. Achoramo batu hejinine. Achoramo kamtie bataramo senyamaka. I'm concerned about tomorrow. I don't want to go against my wish. I don't want to go against my heart, yo. Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegance, no day my mind, yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free, yo. I roam my children so good. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back.
Welcome, Prince OKK.
What did he just call me?
Why are you hiding your identity from me? You are the prince of Asiago Kingdom. You think I wouldn't find out?
I don't know what you're talking about. Yes, I wasn't hiding my identity from you. Yes, I'm a prince, but you do not expect me to hawk those titles around. My father is a king, and I'm a prince.
You should have told me, so that I can use the prefix, my prince.
I am sorry, my queen. Now that you know I'm a prince, does it change anything?
You just called me your queen.
Yes, you started it. You called me your prince, and I am calling you my queen because you are the most beautiful woman in this world. Let's see, before you start arguing, I'm here to tell you that the consultant surgeon is back and already got an appointment from him for you to see him next week.
Really? You
Easy.
Wait, so you mean I would walk freely again?
Yes.
I would walk again very soon. How do I thank you? I mean, how do I thank you for all of this?
How? Thank me? How do you expect the queen to thank her prince for doing what is expected of her? Amarachi, you are beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, I can't wait for next week. Ikenna and Grandma will be so happy to hear this. Thank you so much.
It's all right. It is my priority to do what is expected of me. I will take my leave now. But remember, when you're coming, do not come with anything. No bags, no clothes. I will take care of everything from A to Z. All right? And I might send the guys to come and pick you up if I am not chanced on that fateful day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Prince Okeke. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good day.
Have a good day too.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind, yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free, yo. I roam my around so good. And anyway, this is my decision, no going back. Come rain, come sunshine.
The prince will not talk like that. After all, he has done enough for us. He will go with few clothes and some money. I have saved some money, I will bring it. We will not allow him to carry this burden all alone because the surgery will cost a lot.
But Mama, he said I shouldn't come with anything. Won't he feel bad?
He will understand my point. We will not allow him to carry the burden alone, even if he's the president of this country.
For better, for worse, this is
Ikenna. Ikenna. Welcome. How was school today?
Very fine. The brother Okeke come here today.
Yes, he came here today. But how did you know?
I saw him when I was going to school this morning. He said he will come here today.
Finally, your sister is going for surgery. But do you know that your friend is a prince?
A prince? I don't know. He has money and I like him.
I'm happy today.
Ikenna, go in, remove your uniform, freshen up, and Mama will come and give you something to eat. Oh?
Today you are going to dish that food for yourself because your grandmother here is very happy. My grandchild is going for her surgery. I'm happy, very, very happy, okay? Go and dish food for yourself.
I'm also happy. Oh, Mama, this is still feeling me now.
I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
So, when did you arrive from your brother's house?
Mama arrived yesterday. How is Amarachi and Ikenna?
Amarachi is sleeping inside while Ikenna went to school.
Mama, Ikenna went to school. Has Ikenna started schooling again?
Yes.
Hey, thank you, Jesus.
Yes, so. God sent the Prince of Eziago to us through Ikenna Nwam. Nne, a lot of things have been going on. Don't worry, when Amara wakes up, she will tell you everything.
Mama, the Prince of Eziago Kingdom is the son of a wealthy king. I have heard so much about his family. Glory be to God.
Amen. Please, Keleberem Chukwu Olisa Benigwe. Greet him more. Honor him and give him all the praise. Now I believe that God can do anything with prayers.
Yes, Mama. Mama, you are very correct. Mama, since Amarachi is sleeping, I'll go and come back. Eh? Let me go and see Larita, my friend. I've missed everybody.
Uju, Biko.
Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Look at your nails.
Thank you, Mama. Yes,
With
Mama.
all these nails, who is washing your clothes for
Mama,
you?
don't worry about that. Mama, I'll see you later.
This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse.
Who am I seeing? Larita, wonderful. This is you. Oh, you're looking so lovely. Thank you.
See your nails, so lovely.
Thank you.
You're
I was just
welcome.
coming to your house. I've missed everybody. I said, let me come back to the village to see how the village is. My mother has been calling me. That woman, eh?
Poor woman. She's been all alone now, doing all the work, going to farm all alone. Though I do help sometimes.
Thank you so much. She told me everything. Lorita, you are a friend and a good sister.
Thank you.
I went to Amarachi's house. I saw her grandma. She said Amarachi is sleeping. I didn't want to disturb her. She told me about Prince Okike. Babe, now there we there now.
Yes, so Prince Okike, just calm down. Chill, you just returned. I will give you the whole gist today. Since Amara is sleeping, let's go to my house and talk.
No. Let's go. I can't wait. I can't wait to hear everything.
In life, some things always.
So this is where we are now. The Prince of Eziago Kingdom slapped Ikenna, and it brought the prince to the house. Then he met Amarachi. Now tell me, is the prince in love with Amarachi?
Well, the prince has been making plans to take her out of this state for surgery. And even wonders one careful should come nowhere close to the legs.
You mean the prince warned?
Yes, so although he lost his mom, but he has been coming around though, buying gifts, and even sent Ikenna back to school.
What are we now saying? Amarachi is a very beautiful girl. If not for her leg, she would have gone back to town after service, and all the men for joke. But let's wait for her leg to get well first.
Yes, I'm even praying for her so well.
Me too. Wow. Why? Amarachi and the prince. Yay! This is wonderful.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. Yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free. I roam my
Good morning.
Good morning, young man. How are you?
Fine.
I'm sure these are Manachi's house, right?
Yes, who are you?
Good day, man. My name is Chinedu. I came from the palace. So the prince asked me to come and pick Amarachi up. I don't know if she's ready.
Sure, she is. Okay, you can come in.
Thank you.
This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. Yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. just want to be free, oh. I run my children so good. And anyway, this is my decision, oh. No going back, come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back, come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I love you, this is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. I remember to I remember
Amara just left the house not up to 5 minutes.
Hey, yeah, okay. Hey, Mama. Did the prince come here this morning?
No, but he sent a palace guard to come and pick her up.
Okay. Hey, Mama, you were sleeping. You didn't call me to come and help you.
I'm already finished.
Yeah,
okay.
Where is your grandchild? Where is your grandchild? Because in this village, there has been a bone setter in this town for a very long time. Right from my forefathers, I've been doing it. If I get a person's leg like this, well, don't fear you that the leg will be okay. Nobody has conjured. So all I want to know is my balance.
What is it?
I'm telling you that this gay bone will be going gradually, small. Amarachi wound in the center of her leg, and I have fixed it very well. The only thing that remains is those gum to gum together. Her leg will be okay. I don't know if you're getting me. I have done everything I have to do. Bones takes time to go. Bones, you don't just break your leg automatically. Somebody will touch it will go. No, it takes time to go. It happens in the center of the leg, and I fixed it. Even the gum is trying to go. If you gum now, she will be okay. Remember the last time I came here, she was talking out of point. S3 say, S3 no say all those words. What S3 is better than and bigger than my father's work that I inherited? You people don't know what is inheritance. I inherited it. So if she's going to Obodo Oyibo, Kavanchan, even Ghana here, I don't want to know. I don't want to. All I want is my balance.
My grandchild decided to see an orthopedic doctor on her leg issue. Do you have any problem about that?
It's orthopedic. Anywhere, any orthoped where she orthopedize, let her orthopedize. But I don't have any problem on wherever she go, or even anywhere she go. All I want is that 4 market days. If you people don't bring my money, hey, what happened in Gaza would have been, it will be a small thing because there will be explosion. In my explosion, don't try me.
Mama, this man is acting like someone will bring tumor sometimes. What is wrong with him?
He's a madman.
Oh, Chima.
Not in my life would I have you talk to me the way you have been. I never did that to my father. Your late mother and I wanted the best for you. And that was why we had to make Vicky wait for you. A London-trained lawyer. What is your problem?
Father, am I forbidden to make my own choice as your son?
You're not forbidden. You are not forbidden. But if you must have someone else, such person must be higher in education and in her beauty. Your mother got PhD in education. And my own mother read psychology in the old Bendel. So if there must be somebody, you must aim higher. That is my dream. That is my dream for you.
Father, I've heard you. But my choice should be considered here. Unless I will leave this palace and the kingship will be removed from Ejimofo's family. Father, this is not my kind of life. Royalty is vanity. Your late father didn't go to grave with royalty. I will not marry Vicky. Even if Vicky reads law in heaven tomorrow, I will not.
So it's true that you wanted to leave the palace so that the kingship can go to another clan. Then you must be a fool. A big fool you are. How I wish I had HK alive, your younger brother. I would not be going through this. Disappointed.
Don't worry, I'll see to that. I will make sure you win back I'll make sure you win back his heart. Alright. Yes, what is it?
The king is sobbing, my princess. You need to come and see him.
What do you mean my father is sobbing? What happened?
You mean you didn't hear him shouting at the prince?
No, I was on call. Besides, I thought the guards were quarreling or something. So where is he now?
He's at the chamber.
Okay, after you. Father, I heard your voice. What happened?
It's your brother. If not that I lost HK, I wouldn't have had anything to do with your brother. But the gods took him away. The gods broke my heart. Your brother is not ready to obey and follow the royal tradition. Your mother has been dead for months now. There at the mortuary. Nothing has been done. Vicky had been available, ready to be the kind of queen that we desire. Your brother decided to be stupid.
Father, I don't know why you're letting Okike bother you. I don't know. The same Okike that made Vicky left this village back to Abuja. I'm not even sure she's still interested in this marriage. Yes, because I've been on the phone with her. Her only crime was that her mother died of cancer. Okike had to pick on that to frustrate the innocent girl. Father, if you would listen to me, I'll suggest you call your cabinet members. You all should sit and plan on how to arrange mother's burial without this condition, because I'm tired already. I am.
And, yeah, you made a point, but I already, called for the burial plans. It was these same elders that pointed out that clause to me in the Constitution.
Fine. If that's the case, then let's Okike bring the woman he wants to marry, since he doesn't want victory. Let's just allow him present his woman, please. I don't want him giving you high blood pressure or heart attack. He clearly does not know his position in this family, and he does not know. Please, Father, what you would do is that contact your cabinet members. They should give him a mandate on when to bring his so-called woman or whatever. They should give him a mandate so that my mother can be buried. She can't continue to be in the morgue all because of Okike. Please, Father, I'm tired. I've lost it.
I'm tired.
Mama! Mama! Oh yeah? It's me. Oh. Amara, she wants to sit with you. Amara.
Oh. Nne, how are you? Hallelujah, somebody. Hallelujah, somebody. Ikem, I sent him to the market to buy something for me. Don't worry, when he comes back, I will tell him that you called, Hey, the prince has done noble. My God will bless him in million folds. Okay.
Mama, hello. Hello, Marachi. Yes, Lorita is fine. I heard her sister put to bed this morning a set of twins. So she went since there's nobody to go. Yeah, she left this morning. Hey, Amara, tell me, has the prince proposed to you? Okay now. I don't know. Take care of yourself, okay? Mama, thank God the surgery was successful.
Yes, sir. There is nothing this God cannot do.
Yes, sir.
Chineke ịdị ebube.
Yes, sir.
Ịdị omimi. Ọrụ na ị na-eri akpụ. Nje su ezigbo akpụ ite ofe ụkazi. Bunye gị aga eri.
Mama.
Nara ekele onye ime n'ikpe.
Why are we just sitting here painting words? Are we afraid of anyone that we cannot speak the truth?
What truth do you want to say? I said, what truth? You mean we should allow our prince to do what he wants to do by rejecting our former senator's daughter, whom the father and the mother introduced us in this palace? Who gave us something to eat and enough that we went home with? What are you insinuating?
That was just an introduction, Martin Duka. It was an introduction between the two of them. Did the prince pay her bride price? No. So what are you saying? What are you saying? How can all of us sit here and impose a woman on the prince? I cannot be part of that sacrilege. I cannot.
Why didn't the prince say it that day? That he is not going to marry the woman? Why? He should have opened up, not waited till the girl's mother's and the death of the queen before he start acting up. Why?
Well, honestly, no, I don't know why. I don't know why he said it. But all I know, our wives are product of our choices. Nobody made those choices for us. In that same vein, we should not force any woman on the prince. Yes. Maybe he must have tested her and found out that she's sour. Who knows? Your Majesty, please tell us, What exactly is his reason for saying no?
Nothing serious. He said that the mother of the girl died of breast cancer. And he learned that the senator's mother-in-law also died of the same ailment. So he said he's afraid that their daughter might as well have same. Just afraid of their future children.
His Majesty. Flimsy excuses. Not an excuse.
Mazinduka, don't say that. Why would you be saying that in this kind of issue? Eh? At least that the prince was very intelligent to have noticed it. Ha! See what I suggest, Your Majesty. We need to have a meeting with the prince and find out why he said no.
Each year, Mendo. Your Majesty, this is a vital issue. It is not just like Ichenduka waved. Like Iche Umendo said, we should endeavor to see the prince and hear from him, Your Majesty.
Brother, it seems you're seeing another woman.
Why did you say so?
Because the other day I saw flight tickets and some hospital payment receipt. Who is Amarachi?
So whenever I'm not around, all you do is come into my room, snooping around, doing what exactly? Searching for your head?
No, it's not like that. I was actually looking for you. Yes, I searched the whole place and then I thought it wise to come check your room before I saw all of that. So, my brother is seeing another woman and he thought it wise not to let his kid sister know. Has it gotten to that level?
Her name is Amarachi. And if by any chance the girls help, she will become my wife. I will make her my queen. You know, our family lineage is so cool, not the other one that has cancerous traits.
Brother, well, you are a grown-up man. I wouldn't force you into doing what you don't want to do. But why would you have another girl and not tell your only sister?
Then why do you want me to tell you? You've been pushing for victory. You know, this is what I keep telling you and Dad, and you keep saying nonsense and rubbish even before Mom died. She shouldn't be doing that. Moreover, this Amarachi you're talking about, I've not even spoken to her about anything. She had an accident. She had surgery in her legs and she's still admitted in the hospital.
So, tell me, who is her father? And where is she from?
None of your business.
Brother, come on.
Please, when you're done, we can leave.
Really? Are you seriously asking me out? You're chasing your younger sister away, your baby sister.
Father, you sent for me. Who is the girl?
Who is that girl you kept at the hospital in Enugu that you have been spending so much money on?
So I discussed something with you, like brother and sister. A private conversation, and you came here, told father. Why did you involve him?
I didn't say anything bad though. I was only trying to tell father the reason why you've been rejecting Vicky. That it's not that your so-called cancer of an excuse. It's because you have another woman. Just say it now. Say it. Why are you hiding it? Be a man.
Well, I really don't blame you. But next time, I want you to mind your business. Leave my issues for me to handle. Okay? Father, I have a friend, yes. But we are just friends. Nothing more. If it graduates to another level, I'll let you know. But for now, we're just friends.
Lies. Lies, Okike. Why are you lying now? Come on. Nobody will beat you. Nobody will flog you. Just be a man and say the truth. Vicky has gone back to Abuja. She's not here. Me, I will congratulate you. I don't know why you're lying. A girl that you paid hotel bills for. A girl that you paid flight ticket for. Tell me, how else do you want to convince me that she's not your woman? How else? Okike, be a man. Just say it. There's nothing there. I will congratulate you. Yes. I will give you my blessing. Stop lying, please.
Son, you have a meeting with the elders first thing tomorrow morning.
All right, Father. I'll gladly honor the meeting. And Father, kindly advise your daughter to mind her business. And also get prepared to be married. I mean, your mates are married by now. Go and find your own woman. You don't really belong here. A piece of advice.
I will get married when I see my Mr. Right. At least I'll be free to say it. I'll be free to tell father that I've seen a man. I'll be free to tell you that I have seen a man. And not be a coward.
Did Amarachi come?
Yes, Mama.
I had a bad dream last night. And since then, I am worried.
Ha, Mama Biko, we don't need that kind of dream. Amarachi is fine. She only told me when she called me that she hasn't heard from the prince for days now. And she's worried if he's fine. Because all our calls and messages hasn't been replied yet.
Yes. I told you I had a bad dream. This is exactly what they showed me. I saw them held Amarachi because of the remaining bills. And the bills are huge. What will I do? Because my dream always comes true.
Mama, this one will not come true. Maybe the prince is busy. I believe he will call her. Mama, calm down.
Okay. Call her now if she's fine. Call her. If it requires that I will go to Enugu, I am ready because I still have small money with me.
Mama, it has not gotten to that. Hey, Mama, relax. Let me call her.
My brothers.
We call you to ask you about your mother's burial. Or do we go ahead and bury her without the custom and tradition of this kingdom?
Oh no, thank you so much.
My praise.
My others, I appreciate. Oh, my late mother and my father here have been pressuring me. I mean, they are on my neck to marry Victory. I found out some things about her and I decided to opt out. What did I find out? I found out their family have a link with breast cancer. Her grandmother died of breast cancer. Her own mother died of breast cancer. And of course, we all know this breast cancer of a thing is genetic. It has a genetic trait. So I quickly opt out of the whole thing. That's my reason. Nothing more.
The prince is right. Your Majesty, we don't really have to dwell too much on this issue. At least the prince here has told us what happened and why he said no. Even if there was a bond between the late queen and the late senator's wife, there's a vacuum now. The young man said he doesn't want to carry on with the marriage. That settles it.
I will not agree with you, Umendo. That young woman doesn't have cancer. She's not from that lineage. And there's no medical proof that she must be cancerous. Let us not divide this relationship.
A lot of things goes through lineage. Let us listen to our prince here. After all, no bride price has been paid. If marrying the senator's daughter is the problem, let the prince bring in another woman. Period.
Nduka, this is the 21st century, and you're here talking about proof. Listen, we have to educate the young ones before this kind of thing continues.
What are you all people talking about? Are you all saying that my wife's corpse should remain in the mortuary until we find a cancer-free woman? I want you to know that the time is ticking.
Father, I will, soonest.
My prince, my God will bless you. Whatever you lay your hand on shall be blessed. Since you saw my grandchild and decided to help, Obakwozo, it also got to the sister who had no hope of doing this surgery. May the host of all angels in heaven shower their blessings upon your life and the royal household.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank
I really do appreciate. I gave her something to give to you.
Where will I start? Where will I start thanking you for all the things you have been doing for us?
Mama, you have been praying and the gods are answering. Well, we've gotten to another level while in the hospital. Is she's a good girl. So I have told her that I'm going to take her to the palace to see my father and also my sister.
Hey!
Just to let you know. Yes.
Is it where we are now?
Yes. She's fine with it. Just to let you know.
Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Say.
Chineke gozie go ofuma. Enugo?
Say. Because tell Ikenna that I will come back and see him.
Okay, I will tell him once he's back.
I will take my leave now.
Okay.
Jisike.
May the angels guide you.
Say.
Opupu gi na mbata gi Chineke nọnyere gi nugo.
Say.
I'm a prince. I'm not a
commoner.
Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned. Remember to hate you.
So we had all that discussion in the hospital. He proposed to me, but I kept asking him, does it mean he never had any woman in his life? What if his family doesn't like me? I have a bandage on my leg. At least he should wait. But he said they must see me first.
Something he told me. But the point is, do you like him? Forget the fact that he came to Ikenna and he has been good to our family. Are you okay with him? He may have other hidden character which you don't know.
Mama, I like his heart. He has told me everything about him. He also told me about the woman his mother wanted him to marry. But he said he found something that disqualified her. He told me that she read law and she's also the former senator's daughter. But I am just a poor girl living in this vicinity. Yet he wants to be with me.
God works in mysterious way. For him to have that encounter with Ikenna is not just ordinary. But let's just see what things will unfold.
This is marriage we are talking about.
Martin, look, I do not subscribe to things that make no sense to me. I do not. Why is it that you see the truth and you want to bend it? Prince Okike knows what he wants, but his father wants to bend him because of the relationship he has with the former senator. Eh? Okay, we all know that the former senator is a very influential man, yes. But is that a good reason for us to see the truth and bend it? Eh? What is the issue? What is the issue? The breast cancer issue. The breast cancer that runs in the genealogy of the former senator's late wife. Is it not enough issue? It's not enough to start tarnishing the image of that lawyer whose services will be of good help to the royal home if married into that family. It's a umendo. We should not be supporting something like this because we all know that every family has that black spot. And you know exactly what I'm saying. I understand. I understand what you mean. But what we are talking about here is breast cancer. Breast cancer.
class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind, yo. I just want to be free, allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free, oh. I roam at your own, so and anyway, this is my decision, oh. No going back, correct, sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back, correct, sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. Oh. I love a one more, kesi fumo. This is marriage we are talking about. Oh. For better, for worse. Hey, this is marriage we are talking about. Oh. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. Oh. I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. I just remember to
And who is she? She's the girl the prince wants to marry. I don't believe it. You lie or not? If you like, believe me. Her name is Amarachi.
Amaka. How on earth are you getting all this information from? Her name is Amarachi. And who told you?
Pamela. What are you even saying? She's always with the princess. And the princess makes call and do not hide anything from her. But the princess has to know that you do not have a secret. Now listen, all of you are palace maidens, and I am not. I'm a personal assistant, and that's on period. Anyways, I heard the princess talking with the brother about this Amarachi of a girl. He said she will be discharged from a hospital in Enugu. She had an accident, and the prince likes her, so we finally get to say bye-bye to Vicky.
Honestly, it's better he marries that Vicky girl.
Vicky loves the prince more. And I do hope this one will love the prince. She's British, huh? And you girls should stand here and discuss the prince's choice of your wife. When your mates out there are having two kids, look at
how she is. Pretending as if she's the best.
This is marriage we are talking about. Oh. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. Oh.
Greetings. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Who is she?
Father, her name is Amarachi. She's from Izago here. She lives in my heart, and I want to marry her. Achalugum, meet my father, the king.
Nice to meet you, Your Majesty.
If you truly have a heart, if you truly have a heart, then why didn't you pick any of these beautiful ladies around here instead of bringing in a cripple to my palace? How dare you?
Father, she is not crippled. She only had an accident that's passed through a surgeon. Father, she's only getting better.
Father, I don't know her, but my brother has told me lots of good things about her. You are Amarachi, right?
Yes, my princess.
Who is your father?
My father is late Mazi Bikwe.
And what was his occupation?
He was an engineer, Your Majesty.
Do you think you can marry my son? Didn't my son tell you the wife the royal family chose for him?
Father, shut up.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to her.
Yes, he did. But he has the right to make his choice.
You are not his choice. The prince's wife should stand in elegance. Should stand poised. Should stand in dignity and not in crutches. Now leave my palace. You are not going to marry my son.
I will marry her, Father. She goes nowhere. You don't have to choose for me. This whole thing is turning into something else. What's going on?
Guard! Guard!
Your Highness. Your Highness.
Send this cripple out of this palace. Now.
Yes,
Hey!
If you touch her, I will chop off your head and feed the beast in the forest. You don't do that. Father, what is really going on?
Listen, Father, enough of all this, okay? There's no reason for this drama. I mean, what will the people say? That the palace is at war? It doesn't make sense, Father. Let Okike make his choice. Okay? You can't be in the middle forever.
But at this point, I am not going to allow you to sink me into that marriage with Vicky. No, I will not allow that. I have my reasons, or I'm going to leave this country for you.
I'm a prince. I'm not a commoner.
Please, Father.
Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future.
Nobody will do this to me. No, it will not happen. Not in this era. No one will impose a woman on me unless it is going to happen in my grave. Yes. Be it the daughter of a president or the daughter of a billionaire, that daughter can go to hell. I don't care. I am a man that has made effort for himself. Yes, I have made so much fortune for myself. As for that throne can go into flames. I don't care. I am not interested. And I ask, must I sit on that throne? I ask again, must I sit on that throne? I have made my choice, and my choice will stand.
Just want to be free,
I am really sorry for what happens there, please. But the assurance I am giving to you is that you live in my heart, and that is where you belong. Please, don't give a deaf ear to what happened there, please. Alright?
Let's go. Let's just go, okay?
This is marriage we are talking about. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. I just want to be free. Allow me
For her
to
to
make
make
a
the choice
choice.
like that,
I just
something
want
must
to
have
be
happened
free.
in there. I think the truth is certainly his choice. You don't need to think.
Of a truth, the girl looks classless and dirty, coupled with her crutches. No sane king will allow his son marry such.
Ah, Pamela, she's not crippled. This may be an accident. But for the prince to be angry, I think something's wrong somewhere.
Whatever. The prince cannot use Vicky and dump her just like that. That's my own.
Advocate for Vicky. See, let me tell you something. The king is just joking. I mean, his only son and heir apparent to the throne has the right to make his own choices. To hell with Vicky, I beg.
This is marriage we are talking about. I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. I remember to
Good afternoon, Wakapo.
Can't get good afternoon, Moka. Bupuaso. Anytime you see me, you should be calling me doctorate degree centigrees. What do I say?
Centigrees.
You know put doctor. I say doctorate degree centigrees.
Doctorate degree centuries.
Anything you call it, I know that you will not call it well. Even the school you people are going, they will not. They have not taught this old English. Now listen to me. Anytime you see me, you put that abbreviation. Always put doc. Do you hear me?
Sorry, Doc.
Now you come. So how are you?
Fine.
How's school?
It's fine.
I heard that your sister is getting married and you want to become the queen. But by the way, is she back from where she went to?
Yes.
Then when you reach home, make sure you tell her that I will be coming for my balance. You know they don't owe doctors, most especially doctors that specialize on bones. I don't need for getting me. That's why they call me doctorate degree centigrade. Run along now, I'm going to find food and eat. Tell her that I will come over for my balance. One, bye-bye.
This is marriage we are talking about.
Like I told you, calm down. Do not see this as anything.
It's okay. The king is also my father, and he has the right in the palace to say the things he said earlier. You just have to make him understand.
Thanks to the gods that I told you everything in the hospital. I never loved her. It is you that I love, right? The very first day I set my eyes on you, your angelic voice trapped me up until today. So please, do not mind my father.
I love your heart. You are so nice. Your father, the king, is also a nice man. Forget the fact he has a choice. You just have to appeal to him. What is it, my love?
The gods were right when they directed the king to my car. That's why I strongly believe that we were meant for each other. Look at you. You are so beautiful, intelligent and smart. You should be angry, but your hair is narrating my father. Amarachi.
Babe, the king is very mean. How do they think that is where we walk when the prince has already made his choice? And for that his sister, it seems she wants the other lady.
Yes, so. I heard Vicky is very close to the sister. In fact, they are family friends.
And so, Guinea where Mezi? If the prince does not want to marry the so-called friend, they should all understand.
The king called me a crippled person.
He just said that. He's just looking for an excuse. You're not crippled, my friend.
So tell me, what about Loretta? Is she not coming back again?
She called me that her sister needs a lot of help, that she's going to come back.
Oh. Okay.
And for the king, is such a joker. I hate it when parents does not see reason with their children. He has made his choice. They should all rest, Biko. Fast Guanike.
Father, I did not like what you did to my guest. How could you humiliate her in the presence of those guards?
Is she in any way better than those guards? You brought a cripple to introduce to me as your wife to be. Are you out of your mind?
I am not out of my mind, Father. I am not! Amarachi is not crippled. She only had a fractured leg.
A queen should be able to stand on her own without any device. She should be able to stand on her own.
Oh, Father, please. Please! What are you talking about? She only had a fractured leg, and those scratches, she will not be using those scratches for the rest of her life. Father, her legs are healing. What are you talking about? Father, please, I do not want us to keep dragging this. Please, we shouldn't be dragging this at all.
No, because of that cripple, you started to raise your voice at me, your father. You better watch this, your attitude. You are going to marry that girl. Let heaven fall.
Father, I will not marry Vicky. I will not try it.
Well, in the next 3 days, you and the elders will go see her father to pay her marriage rights. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight.
This is a joke. But this is not happening, Father. It is not happening. This will not happen, Father. It will not happen. You will not impose a woman on me and remember to tell those elders that I'm going nowhere. Yes.
Ekemma. Amarachi. Ekemma.
Okafor, what is it? Why are you shouting my name? Do you want to put this house down with your shouting? Ejingugwa.
Isi Jimobo. Eh? You even barge in without even adding that doctorate degree. Do you know what is doctorate degree? In fact, I am doctorate degree in Opupu. Eh? When I get your Opupu, I will popularize it. It will become straight. If it's in Obodo Ibo, you did this thing that you just did now. Eh? Let me tell you the truth. You would have been in prison by now. Because you are supposed to use that abbreviation. That is what? Doctor. Don't bother calling it because you will not know how to call it. Doc. You call it like that, very short. So I have come to collect my money. That's why I came to collect my money. No.
You billed my grandchild 60,000 naira. And you did not finish your work. And you still have the right to walk in here to ask for your balance. Even the job you did has a leg.
The work I did has your leg. Do I have your leg? Eh? The work I did for you have your leg. Do I have your leg? Eh? Me that is straight like this. Then if I want to do your daughter's leg, I will now do it as your leg, Abi. This is the reason why I always take people to Ogubu. I will take you people to Ogubu. It will not take me anything. Believe me. It will only take me Umuriro Soji and Oji. Miss Kobueba, I know what to say. Something will start happening. So you people should give me my money or else I will put this place on fire.
It has not gotten to Ogubu.
It has gotten to Ogubu, if you don't know. Because I did your work and I finished your work even before your daughter said that she want to go and do what is that thing you say you want to go and do? S3. I have finished my work before then.
Amarachi is not around. She went for a stroll with her friend. So if she comes back, Ikenna will bring your money to your house. Okay?
Okay, Ikenna will come. Now you are talking now. This is what you should have said since, and you're running up and down. Make sure he come to my house to bring the money. If not, Ogubu will answer us now. You know now. Make sure he comes because Ogubu will be waiting for something else. So don't. Okay.
You are the one that's supposed to balance us. My grandchild's leg was straight. After your work, the leg became short.
My love, please don't worry, okay? Don't worry. I will do everything within my power to bend all of them. I will. And I'll make sure Mother's cough does not exceed 2 months from now before being buried. Yes, so you don't need to worry. Right?
Brother.
Let me call you back.
Brother, I've come for us to talk about this and trash it once and for all.
Talk about what? Talk about what exactly? You and Father are bent on destroying me, right?
No. On the contrary, we want to make you happy because we know what's best for you. We know what's good enough for you.
What is best for me? Who is good enough for me, if I may ask? Vicky? Huh?
Brother, listen, Vicky loves you. Okay, I want you to marry her. With time, you will grow to love her. Please, these things take time.
Hey, don't come here preaching love to me. I might be blind, but what I see, you can't even see them. Right? So quit that. Don't preach love to me. What do you even know about love?
Are you aware that the community are waiting for you? They are seriously waiting for this marriage so that mother can be buried. Are you aware of that?
I can see that everything I've been telling you does not make sense to you. So please kindly leave my room.
You're asking me to leave your room?
Please leave! Leave.
Really? It's okay.
Get out, please. Is everybody mad at this house?
Father, I want us to talk.
Go ahead.
Father, please. I would suggest you allow Okike marry whoever he wants to marry. Okay? Vicky has traveled out and she's making other plans for herself. Please.
The problem about your brother is he's rude. He's always rude to me. And he thinks he has the right to do whatever he wants to do. I was the one that sent him overseas to go and read. At least I expect some loyalty from him.
Yes, Father. Trust me, I understand what you're saying. Okay? I would even love him to marry Vicky. But Vicky has moved on. She has moved on. I'm sure she's doing better things with her life. Let's just get this thing done with. Please, let's allow him bring his wife.
You see, your late mother, made the promise to her in my presence. So how do I begin to change all that?
Father, Mom is late already. She can see how you've been trying, how you've been pushing. You've really tried, but there is nothing we can do. Mother is dead. She can see everything. Please, Father, I'm tired already. Let's just allow him bring his woman home and just get this whole thing done with, please. You've really tried and we all know that already. She's no longer interested. Vicky is no longer interested in this marriage. So what are we saying?
Ichie, the king wants me to leave his palace. I will, but he must not use that power on me.
You see how bad things have gone to. You see, I've learned my voice on this issue. Even though no who you rejected those Omaka, her daughter, is in support that you make your own choice. You see, the world has changed. People don't see things from the same way other people see it. People see it from a different perspective. The king insisting on a life partner for you is totally rubbish. I do not support it. Mba.
Ichie, thank you. I know and I heard your voice calling a spade a spade.
That's me.
May the gods continue to bless you.
Bless you too. My prince, I want to ask you a confidential question.
Go ahead.
Apart from the senator's daughter risking having breast cancer from her mother's lineage, is there any other thing that you are afraid of?
Ichie.
Yes.
She constantly challenged me.
Eh?
Severally. She popped out her eyes on me in my own room, challenging me.
That was not good now.
A woman is supposed to have respect above everything. Coupled with her, these cancer challenges. I mean, it is very, very bad of her. Each year, she lacks respect. What is my business with her reading law and allowing it to get to her head? Marriage is not about law. It's about respect and humility.
That is it.
That is what a man needs. Nothing more.
I now understand your plight, my prince. Don't worry. You have my support. The queen will be buried. The queen will be buried as soon as the new girl is confirmed. You have my support.
Thank you, Ichie. Thank you for your support. I see them. I really appreciate your support.
Thank you very much.
I will take my leave now.
All right, my prince. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Some beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant.
I want you to understand this. But it's okay, since you said you're coming back with your father for your late uncle's burial. I think it's an opportunity for us to see and discuss this. Honestly, that has been the issue. Yes, because my dad has, been bent on what my late mother told him. He's still standing on that. It's making them tear themselves. Like, it's really been it's really been a serious issue here. It's okay now. When you come.
This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage.
I want us to leave. Don't stop me. I've made arrangements for my papers. He'll also be out in a few weeks. My father thinks that he can joke with me, but I will not let that happen.
Leave? No. Don't do that. Don't do a thing like that. If your brother was to be alive, fine. But it is just you. Don't kill your father with this anger.
Amarachi, I said earlier, don't try to stop me. I will leave. If my father is ready, he can invite me. But for now, nothing can change my mind.
then you will leave without me. Because I am not going to be part of this arrangement.
Amarachi, why?
Because your father will heap the blame on me. He would say since he rejected me, I made plans to take his son away from him, not knowing that you are the brain behind this. My prince, you said you spoke to Onowo and the Ichies. Why don't you wait for them to intervene? Please.
I just want to be free, I run my around so good. And anyway, this is my decision, no going back. Come rain, come sunshine, I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision, no going back. Come rain, come sunshine, I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I love a This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about.
Linda, how are you?
I'm fine.
Your cousin sister was buried last week, and I didn't see you there. Although your mother told me that you came.
Yes, I came. I was in the kitchen all through.
Okay.
Thanks for the help. I heard everything.
It's nothing. Okay, what to do? It's nothing. Please do inform the kingdom around.
Ishe,
Yes.
please know how you can talk to the king about the marriage issue. As it stands now, the prince wants to marry this new girl. Let him go on so we can even have rest in this palace.
Women and marriage. Well, it's okay. We're on it. I believe we'll settle it soon. Just inform him around. I have come so that we can finalize on the issue of the prince marriage. We must, as a matter of urgency, put an end to all this drama. So that the late queen can rest in peace.
Chiomendo.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You needed to see the kind of woman that my son brought to this palace. A poor, crippled, miserable-looking lady. I had thought that he would embrace a higher status by at least bringing a senator's daughter.
Your Majesty, all fingers are not equal in life. What matters most is the happiness of your son. You see, there was something he told me in confidence that is very important. He said that the senator's daughter does not respect him, nor take his orders. Your Majesty, you know every man needs respect. Most especially when it comes to matters of marriage. Because of the pressure he was subjected to by his late mom and even the sister, he couldn't say anything. But please, what I beg is, let the prince marry a woman of his choice, so that peace can reign in this palace. Please.
I said it. There are other issues that they are having. But for my son to reject victory and to stand on his words in spite of all they push, it is not an ordinary. Anyway, I'll think about it and get back to you. But as for that woman, it's a no for me. She should have the quality of a queen.
Your Majesty, that woman in question, she's educated. She's a graduate. And she read one of the best courses. Honestly. But she can still read law. If that's all you need. All I ask for is please love her like a daughter-in-law to be. This life is like a pendulum. You might never know. She might turn out to be the best. Mark my words.
Ichomendo.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I appreciate. Thank you. Like I told you, I will get back to you. Thank you for lending your voice.
Anytime, Your Majesty. Anytime.
You people are even here eating fried rice and chicken, enjoying yourself. That's it now. And you're still owing me. Listen, let me tell you. You told me that you will send your son to bring my money for me. None of them I saw. Then, even my money, I did not see anyone. No one I see. So you expect me a whole doctorate degree centigrade? Listen to me. Look at my hand. Centigrade. A whole doctorate degree centigrade. So I will be walking up and down. Coming to your house every day looking for what? 15,000 naira only. Kangana agare. Nato.
So because we are owing you will not eat again. Woke up for my son came to your house 2 days ago and you were not around.
Yes, I told your brother I came. Didn't he tell you?
Come to your house, they didn't tell you. You people should go and give me my money. Allah said, they didn't tell you. You people should go and give me my money. Look at Anna Burumunia. As your daughter said, I hope is doing well. You know, I'm a professional doctor. I'm a nurse. And now you remember to tell me thank you. I told you that I'm walking up and down coming to your house. And I will tell you.
See your face. You are now smiling because you see money.
You go who see money one. You go who see money one of the day. Again, you people should continue eating.
Are we still owing you?
Remember, keep more power. How will I come?
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free. I roam at your own so good. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I love it one more, this is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for
Like I told you over the phone, forget about everything that concerns the prince. I mean, we tried all we could, but all to no avail. He kept insisting on getting married to that Amarachi girl.
Where is that Amarachi from and whose daughter is she?
I really don't know much, but she's a graduate And according to what she told my father, she said her late father was an engineer. And she's also from one of those neighboring villages around. My dear, listen, forget about everything that concerns the prince. You know, marriages these days breaks. Not to talk of the ones that were forced. Please, my love, I just want you to be happy forever. I don't want you to get into anything that will deprive you of your happiness.
But the prince didn't try at all. I mean, he should have looked for a classy babe. Well, there is nothing to talk again. I mean, when I told my colleagues my story with the prince, they mocked me. Look, I don't have any issue with anybody again. I don't even want the marriage again. I'm cool. We are cool. I'm fine.
I'm so happy for you. Look at you. You're glowing. You're beautiful. Just...
And you too.
Listen, my love, beautiful. Thank you. You deserve the best. Just forget about him. So, tell me, look at the way you're glowing.
No going back, come rain, come sunshine. I have made
Father,
up my mind. This is marriage.
despite the fact that everything is not settled yet, Vicky said she's fine. That the prince can go ahead and marry whoever he chooses. Yes, I mean, we spoke at length and she seems very cool with it.
Seriously? I have always known that Vicky is a nice girl. Just that she's stubborn. And that was the reason my son purportedly gave for, cancelling the marriage plan between both of you. But all the same, as you move on with your life, I don't think I can ever come to terms with my son and that cripple.
Your Majesty, if the so-called girl is his choice, he should marry her. We are talking about marriage, a lifetime something. We may not be meant for each other, we're just here forcing it. That my mother died of breast cancer doesn't mean I will end like her. He wished me that, and I concluded that the marriage plan is over.
Vicky, what you're trying to say here now is, my son is free to make his choice and that you are cool with it?
Exactly, Your Majesty. And I still remain part of this royal home. Adam Mahir is still my friend, and you will always be my father.
Oh, you see, you're making me emotional. This was exactly what I saw that I wanted to harvest for the royal family. But my son is not seeing it that way. Well, I pray that the gods of my ancestors will, make you find a man that will cherish and love you.
You see?
Yes. And I want to particularly pray for that ailment that is ravaging your family, your lineage. I invoke the powers of the ancient gods of my ancestors that sickness be removed from you, be removed from your lineage.
You see?
And that none of you will ever cry again concerning breast cancer in your family.
Get the dining set, okay?
Okay, my princess.
The king wants to have lunch with Vicky. And hey, make it snappy.
Okay, my princess.
Father, after this meal, I'll be going with Vicky to stay with her a little.
You cannot be seen like this. Your mother's cup is still in the mortuary. So it's either you go and come back, or you don't go at all.
Very well then. No need. I won't be going.
No.
Since it's against the rule of the kingdom.
No.
But, Father, what if I wasn't royalty?
I'd rather we talk about it some other time.
Okay. I actually thought about it, but it's fine. Ada, don't worry. I will always come around if I leave. Hope you like it. Yeah, it's nice. Thank you.
Lori, baby. Are you just landing?
Yes,
Oh, well.
It's you too.
Okay, well done.
Someone got a house help for my sister, so I had to leave. Plenty errands in that house. Besides, I don't like that Lagos. It's too busy. Everybody minding their business. No one to gist to it.
You, this girl, you and gist. Do you want us to start gisting on the road? Or we should go to your house because I have lots of gist for you. Gist Kanku.
How far are Marachi and the prince? Her number has not been going.
Amarachi left 2 weeks ago with the prince, though she told me she'll be living with the prince since the king refused them marrying. It has been a long battle.
This is serious, so. Anyways, let me not keep the bike man waiting. I will come back to the house later.
Alright. I see you. I've missed you. Larry, baby. Okay, well done. No.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day for my I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free.
Father, aren't you bothered that your son has not been seen around?
You mean my son has not been coming back home? I thought you were just avoiding me.
No, Father. He hasn't been seen around. The worst that would happen is if he gets back to the States as he threatened. Father, it won't be nice at all. I have pleaded with you to let him marry his choice of a woman. Vicky has gone back to Abuja. She is no longer interested. Coupled with your fatherly blessings. Father, please. You have to do something so that mother can be buried.
What about his girl? How long is she going to remain on that crutches? Because on that day of the burial, I'm inviting so many people. Other royal majesties are going to be there. It will not be dignified to see my daughter-in-law riding on crutches.
Father, you don't have to open old wounds. This shouldn't be your major concern. For all I know, that girl just had an accident and she has been treated. I'm sure by now she has thrown away those clutches. Father, your major concern right now should be about your son, the prince. Please.
Does anyone in this palace know where she lives?
I think Chinedu knows. I heard authoritatively that the prince has sent him there before. Yeah.
Then in that case, go call him for me.
Okay, Father.
I'm a prince, I'm not a commoner. Please let me be. Allow me to make my own choice. I'm so concerned about my future. I remember to I'm concerned about tomorrow. I don't want to go. I guess my wish.
Your Majesty, you sent for me.
I am well informed that my son had sent you to Amarachi's house before.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to go to her house now and check if she's around. Then ask her the whereabouts of my son. We better see her. Tell her I want to see her urgently.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Sunshine, I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come sunshine, I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I have a This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse. This is marriage we are talking about. For better, for worse.
Good day, ma.
Good day, how are you?
The king asked me to come and check if your granddaughter is around.
I've not seen her. The prince came here and picked her up. And she only told me that she's coming. For 2 weeks now, I've not set my eyes on her.
And no phone calls yet?
Nah, and we put her on phone. Unless when her friends come around, I will ask if she called them.
Alright, in that case, let me report back to my king.
Okay.
Thank you.
What have we not done to make the king see reasons with us? Eh? Or are we not old enough to talk to him? Look, it's been 2 weeks now since the prince left the palace. Nowhere to be found. All his lines switched off.
We must allow him to finish that. I mean, that thing he has on his mind. It's not as if Prince went to the north or Bodoyibo to bring the girl. No, it's within us. We all know how close the former senator is with the king, but it's very painful the way his son rejected the senator's daughter. But that is not an excuse. He must call his son to order. And that's the truth.
Well, as for me, I have no further business in that palace. Unless the king agrees to settle this and bury the queen. If not, let him stay in the palace alone. I'm not coming.
Really? Do you have the prince's other number? I mean, all his lines were switched off. Even the king and the princess couldn't reach him.
Well, I have his number.
Really?
Yes.
Good.
But I can only relate to him if the king accepts to bless him and the woman of his choice. Then no problem, I'll relate with him.
Really? The king has no option than to dance to your tune. As it stands now, he has no option.
He has no option?
No, he has no option.
My son is missing.
Missing?
He has literally left this community so that the corpse of his mother will rot in the morgue.
Your Majesty, from the information I gathered, I don't think your son is missing. He left probably because of the choice of wife on him.
But I told him to come home. I told him to get another woman as long as it's not that crippled girl. My son's wife cannot be supporting herself with crutches when we have beautiful, wonderful, charming women within and outside this community.
Your Majesty, that girl had an accident and couldn't walk with crutches forever. She did not force the accident on herself. Your son has brought that girl to my house. I want you to calm down and see reasons with him. Yes.
My son has guts. He deliberately switched off his phone so that his sister and I will not have access to him.
Your Majesty, don't forget, a lion begat a lion. A snake begat a snake. He is the son of his father. Yes.
So I have another lion.
Oh yes, Your Majesty, from your loins.
Well, in that case, wherever he is, tell him to come home with the woman of his life. Let us live together.
Igwe!
Come to think of it, what if he had actually absconded with the girl? What would I have done? Anyway, I'll do something about it and get a private investigator to locate him and tell him to come home.
Yes. Now you're talking.
Oh no, you made my day.
Igwe! Apatakuma one of our industry.
Just sit down.
Okay. Oh.
I said, switch on your phones. Switch on your phones. Look, the worst thing you can do is to make your father pass through further stress. Eh? We already have one corpse in the morgue. Please, we don't want to have another one. Biko. Just come back home. Come back and let us settle this once and for all, please. And switch on your phones. Eh. So, how is our wife? Is she there with you? Oh, Biko. Just, you go to your phone. Kekime, how are you doing? I know from the sound of your voice, I know you're doing fine. I know. Idigo Queen. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. It's well. It's well. I want you to know that you are a royal treasure. We value you so much. I've already told the prince. It's well. It's well. Okay.
Come in. You look so beautiful.
What a beautiful man. I said it that the prince will have nothing to do with Vicky. People should start calling me prophetess. So I have a divine call.
Then go and become Ezewan and start duping people like others now. Prophetess my fruit.
Let me rush and pick.
Okay.
As the king addressed the new
Please go and get gist for us.
No, come and stay.
Hey.
Prophetess.
King is here.
See who is.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, my father. I am really sorry for leaving the palace. I was just pissed.
No. You see, it goes to show that when you put your foot on the ground, it remains so. You have become a man of strong conviction. You don't need to be sorry. Is that Amarachi?
Yes, it's in Amarachi, you know.
Oh,
What happened?
Your Majesty.
Where are your crutches?
Your Majesty, I am better now. I am well.
I don't know if she's this beautiful and I was just concentrating on the crutches.
I am deeply sorry for everything that has happened.
Oh, you are now my daughter-in-law. Come. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Let me bless the senior. Come. I bless the senior this day. It shall be well with both of you. The peace shall be your portion.
Class and beauty, no day for my requirement. Beauty and elegant, no day my mind. Yo. I just want to be free. Allow me to make a choice. I just want to be free. Oh. I run my children so good. And when he wear this this is my decision. Oh, no going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. And anyway, this is my decision. No going back. Come rain, come sunshine. I have made up my mind. This is marriage we are talking about. I love a This is marriage we are talking about.